You know, Richard, I'm sure you're still complaining about the cold down there in Texas. It's getting fucking worse here in Canada. But this is real men. We could handle this shit. You tough guys in Texas, you couldn't handle this for a fucking day. So, we're out here just shoveling away. Couldn't go out the front door. Too much snow blocking it. Had to go out there, work my way around. I really all I wanted to do was go out and clean my car off. But goddamn. Richard, how's that spare room coming along? You got room for me yet? I need to get out of this shit.